It's 11:30 in the night and I'm already off to bed. But you make sure that you don't turn off the video unless you watch it till end. So good luck for the experience ahead.
Speaking about the mornings, I'm not at all a morning person. I'm rather a late night owl.
Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and welcome back to my channel. Now this is a completely unplanned video. I thought why not to try something different. There might be some people who would like to see a vlog on a day in my life.
कौन है ये लोग?
So let's get started. Alright, now time for some morning workout. I mean, my kind of morning workout. But before that, we need some equipments for that. What are they? So this is what I do every morning.
And doing this household work really makes me realize that at least I'm not a liability on this house. I mean, I contribute a little bit to make this home a sweet and a hygienic home.
Alright, now let's get freshen up and see what the day has to offer me next. Okay, so I'm finally set to have my lunch now.
Soon after I had my lunch, it was quite hard to sit down for studies, so I instead grabbed my histo journal and started drawing the diagrams. I prefer to draw all the diagrams by myself and not give it to somebody else to complete. That's because I kind of love to draw diagrams.
So it's almost 2:30 now and I'm going to my uncle's house to teach my younger brother and prepare him for an entrance exam, which is Navodaya entrance exam. Meet you there. Well, this is a part of my routine only for a few days till his exam gets over, which is on 11th of next month. So let's see how he performs.
Speaking about him, he is way smarter than me. And he, in fact all my 3 younger brothers, have tightly packed schedule for each day. I wonder sometimes, how do they manage their time for online classes, tuition, studies, sports and etc.
Unlike me, who feels as if I am on some sort of college vacation, which started off as summer vacation, ongoing is monsoon vacation, and if the same situation continues then winter vacations are no away. I'm free like hell and I'm not so happy about this. Okay, so I just came back home. It's always a real fun spending time with my younger brothers. Now let's do something productive enough for me and for my career. The thing which, if not done, would not fetch me a brighter future.
I meant studies. Before starting any topic, I have this habit of counting the number of pages the chapter has, so that I'll get an idea in how much time I'll complete that chapter. Do you have the same habit? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, normally if you read out things loud to yourself, then you get to understand it quickly and more efficiently.
Alright, I have completed my anatomy topic and I have come to the terrace to witness this wonderful view.
Here I would like to take out a moment and request you all to please take care of yourself and your loved ones, because it's not just the pandemic who is taking lives. There are many different factors as well. At this point, I can only see at least one member of each family falling ill everywhere around. Our health is in our hands. It depends so much on our habits and routine. It's okay if you cannot do everything each day. It's okay to find some time out for ourselves. Appreciate the wonders of nature and look for our position in this universe. I'm not quite well myself in this video. Must be an indication that I have to get myself into a proper routine.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now let's get back to business. Yes, I am back, and this time with physiology. Now let's see till where it goes. Alright, I'm done with my studies. Now let's get a break and take off for dinner. Even after dinner, some household work was yet to be done, so it took me quite a long time for dinner. It's almost 11:30 now and I'll get this mess all cleaned up so that I could get to sleep. Ready for departure, Captain? Alright, so this was it for today's video. If you like it, then please hit the subscribe button because it really helps me and inspires me to make more such videos. Drop a lovely comment below and also please check out some of the previous videos on my channel. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day ahead.